Welcome, here I've got ZTE Nubia N1 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first you have to click on the center here to get access to more apps of this device, and from here we have to pick the camera app. And simply tapping on this we can open it. As you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, and to get access to the image stabilization settings we have to go to more advanced settings, which are here in the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get access to it. As you can see here we have the general settings, camera settings and the video settings, so the image stabilization is available to video. And by tapping on this we get access to it. At the second position here we have the ACE. This is the electronic image stabilization, so this is the image stabilization here. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.